Respected Chair and my dear friends, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to speak in this August gathering. Thank you very much also for making me the last speaker of the last session of the last day. But I am going to share with some of the experience of mine and the ground reality. I am a teacher, director, handling a B school. What kind of the situation is there at the ground level, and what we are doing to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. Basically, like if we can talk about the few things, what we are doing for bridging the gap between the industry and academia. We have kept a concept that is known as the corporate mentor at our institute. Corporate mentor, what does it mean? That we have capped 15 students in a corporate. One corporate in HR, marketing and finance is given to the 15 students. If the intake is the 60 students, then the 4 corporates will be there. They are going to mentor, groom the students for the specialization of HR, marketing and finance, international business. They take the responsibility starting from the first day of the academic up to the placement. They groom the students, they taught the students in different kind of the business etiquettes, what kind of how the business is going on. So that is the first concept we have implemented over the institute. Second concept, if you can talk, then Mr. Saha has rightly said that there is a gap between the need and supply, and we are also providing the vocational education to the students. Number of time when we go for the placement, we talk with the corporate, then the corporate frankly say that we don't need the Amartya Kumar Sen, economist, we don't need the Philip Kotler in the marketing, we need a simple students who understand the basics, we need the students who can make the presentations fine, perfect, who does have the good communication, these are the basic requirement. We talk with the students, these are the requirements of the corporates, and if you are groomed in a such a way, the placement will be easy. Then obviously they see that, okay, sir, we are overburdened with our syllabus, and they are also true. I was reading the Tandon committee report, and the Tandon committee says that our syllabus are very theoretical and less practical. We emphasize much more on our theories instead of the practicals. So they are always worrying, instead of focusing on the practical things and learning a practical aspects, they are always worrying about the result. They are always worrying about the subjects, backlogs, etiquettes, and this all the things. And preparing for the theoretical subject, they lack the practical knowledge. But even though we try in a such a way to groom, we do have the Excellence Center for the students' development to bridge the gap between the academia and corporates, for which what we are doing, we are inviting the corporates starting from the first day for doing the different kind of the activity, like say for example the GD is being done by the corporates, PI, personal interview, and the training, different kind of the interaction sessions with the corporates. Frequently the corporates come and discuss with the students, and the students frequently visit the industry in a such a way they come to know that. Basically in our Saurashtra region, more than 5,000 small scale industries are there, so we are tapping and we are trying to tap the small scale industries for the development of the students. Moreover, as we have also the syllabus committee where the corporates are there, we try to include this kind of the contents which are really helpful to the students for the development of the students. So like a few concepts are there which we are trying, through which we are trying to reduce the gap between the demand and supply, to provide the excellence bridge to the students so that they can get the job in a such a way. Otherwise, like in our small remote town, some another kind of the problem we are facing, and that is a cut copy paste. Summer projects are the fantastic opportunity for the students to go ahead with the corporate's platform. But generally 80% of the students here and there, they do only one thing, and that is the cut copy paste. They don't take it seriously. So we have done one fantastic job in the summer project. We invite the corporate people to evaluate the summer projects of the students, and we have with the permission of the universities, we have taken the permission from the university, and the marking system of this kind of the summer project is being ranked by the industry and corporates only. So these are the few tactics which we implement in order to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. Thanks a lot for giving me once again the opportunity to speak over here. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Dr. Sandeep.